प्रभु नित्यानंद गौर भक्त वृंदा हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्णा हरे राम हरे शीला प्रभुपाद की जय देव की जय all little Vaishnav children ki jai. So welcome Avni, Tarini, Anjaneya, Vrinda. Happy to see you, beta. Harini, Soumya, Shyam, Monish, Krishna Patel, Bhavya, Tristan, Gauranga, Aradhita, and Mathili. Mathili, I missed you. Where were you yesterday?
We had another engagement yesterday.
I'm sorry?
We had another engagement yesterday.
Yeah, when me, Krishna, and when we were in the car,
I'm very sorry, but because today I'm a little bit outside and I don't have the speaker with me, Bluetooth speaker with me. So it's actually very difficult for me to hear all of you. So would you all mind speaking a little louder to me today, since I don't have my Bluetooth speaker with me today? Would you all be kind and be a little merciful to me?
You're always going in and out when you're talking. Like sometimes, but not all. Like your voice goes away and comes back.
Maybe, Avni, you should log out and log in back. Sometime it gets better when you.
Yeah, for me it's fine.
Yeah, that's why I said, Avni, you log off and log in again. Okay. So welcome, Subhadra Giridhari. Mathili, you were saying something, but I couldn't hear.
Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Shubhadra.
Hare Krishna, everybody. Okay, so can someone tell me what verse we are at, chapter 13?
Chapter 17. Chapter
13. Chapter 13. Who will tell me what verse we are at?
17 and 18.
17 and 18.
Yes, you all are amazing. Can everybody give me their darshan by coming on the video call? Let me see all the beautiful faces of all the children. Yes, I see all beautiful roses here. Some are roses, some are marigold, some are beautiful sunflowers, right? I see Mathili having a nice, beautiful yellow sunflower hairband, right? Right? I see Vrinda having some beautiful necklace. I see Monish is very cold in Australia. We are nice and hot here. Okay, Monish.
Mataji, I got this from the birthday party.
Nice. Enjoy. Have fun. So I'm so happy to see all the beautiful faces on the video call. I feel like I am dealing with the people.
Mataji.
Otherwise, I would feel I'm dealing with the birds. Have you seen birds? When you go close to them, what happens?
Mataji.
Yes, Leisha.
I'm sorry if I didn't came on Friday.
No problem. Your mommy texted me. It's okay. It's okay. Your mommy texted me. But yeah, when you all don't come, I miss you all. Like I know yesterday Mathili did not join. I missed her. I missed Leisha. I missed some more kids. I've been missing Monish. I always miss Vrinda because I know Vrinda has other classes too. Right? Okay, so let's go over chapter number 13.
I got the
verse number 16 and 17. Wow. No, not 16. Sorry. 17 and 18. Okay. So let's see what Krishna is saying. Okay. Avibhaktam cha bhuteshu vibhaktam eva cha sthitam bhuta bhritr cha tajgeyam grasishnu prabhavishnu cha. So let's see.
Mataji, can you say the shloka again? At the first part, your voice went away and came back.
Yeah, but we will be repeating the shloka quite a bit. So no worries, okay? So translation, although the super soul appears to be divided among all beings, he is never divided. You know, word vibhaktam. Vibhaktam means division. And avibhaktam. Remember, I told you all that in Sanskrit, when there is a, what does that mean? Who will tell me? When you put a in front of anything, usually what does it mean? It means opposite. It means not, without. Okay, so avibhaktam, that means super soul appears to be divided, but he's never divided. He's situated as one. Although he is the maintainer of every living entity, it is to be understood that he devours and he develops all. Now, what does that mean? Suppose I have a cake, okay, and I want to give to all of you. Okay, how will I give the cake? Can I give whole cake to all of you from one cake?
No, Mataji.
No.
Okay, suppose I have a pizza and you all are total 16 kids here, let's assume, okay? So how will I distribute the pizza in 16 kids?
Mataji, you have to divide it. You have to cut the
I have to divide it, right? Can I give whole pizza to everybody? Is it possible for me? No, right? And is it possible for all of you to even eat whole pizza? No, you all will end up in tummy aches, right?
Mataji, can you spotlight?
Yes, thank you, Lesha. I know. So here, 1 minute. Okay, so the thing is,
please.
okay, so I forgot what I was saying. Yes, so pizza has to be divided in 16 parts, right? Then only everybody will get the pizza, right? Yes. Now Krishna is in the heart of you all and me, and animals and plants and the ants and the insects and the bugs and the non-living and the living and the mountains and the moving and the non-moving. Oh my goodness. So is Krishna divided into millions of the parts? Huh? Like a pizza?
Yes.
Are you all sure? Are you all sure? That
No,
means
Mataji.
Krishna is divided into millions of parts and then he's distributed.
No, Mataji.
No, see, that is the difference into material and spiritual. So this is where Krishna is telling in the translation, although the super soul, that means the Lord himself, the Krishna, he appears to be divided among all beings, but he is never divided, right? He is whole in everyone's heart, right?
He's multiplied.
He multiplied. Yes, Tarini is right. All his plenary expansions, his all the expansions, he expands so many number of times, and he goes in each and every living and non-living and moving and non-moving entities. It's not like material, okay, one pizza or one cake divided into 50 small pieces so that all the kids get all the 50 pieces. Is it possible for super soul? Is it possible for super soul? Can we cut Krishna and divide into 50 pieces and put in 50?
No.
No. So this is why he is the supreme Lord, right? He is the super soul, right? Where he's saying that he's situated as one. It seems like he's divided into all the living beings, but he's never divided. And another thing, what is it? He's the maintainer of every living entity, right? We have discussed this so many times that he maintains all of us, each and every one he maintains. But at the same time, in chapter 11, it is described that Krishna says, I am the time, I am the Kal. That means I am also the annihilator. I am the one who devours everything, like this this universe, right? It comes, it manifests and then it disappears. Disappear means it is annihilated. It appears and then it is annihilated. So who annihilates the whole universe? Krishna. So that's what it means by he devours and he also develops all. He's the maintainer and at the same time he is annihilator. Did you all understand? So this is the meaning of verse number 17. Now we go verse number 18. Jyotisamapi tajyotis tamasah paramuchyate jnanam gyeyam jnanagamyam hridi sarvasya vishthitam. So what does it mean? Now Jyotisam means in all luminous objects, lighting objects, right? All luminous objects, the one which gives us the light. And then api taj jyotis. Jyotis means the source of light. Tamasah. Tamasah means darkness. That's why we also say tamas word for what?
Ignorance.
Yes, ignorance, right? The people in ignorance, they are usually in darkness. Yes. Then param, beyond, uchyate is said. Jnanam means knowledge. Gyeyam means to be known. Jnanagamyam means to be approached by knowledge. So what is the purpose here? Krishna is telling here He means super soul, right? The Lord. He is the source of light in all luminous objects. He is beyond the darkness of matter and is unmanifested. He is knowledge. He is the object of knowledge and he is the goal of knowledge. He is situated in everyone's heart. Now, what does this exactly mean? Srila Prabhupada explains very beautiful here that how do we get light here? Not at night. How do we all get the light?
By
Can
the
someone
sun.
reply?
By the
By
sun.
the sun.
Yes, and at night
By the
also
sun.
we get some light, even if we don't have
From
light
the
in the
moon,
house.
from the moon.
Yes, sun and moon. So to
Moon and
you all,
stars.
sun, moon, stars. So to you all, what does it look like? It look like, oh, sun, moon, and stars are giving us light. But what is Krishna saying here? Krishna is saying that Krishna is the source of light in the sun. Krishna is the source of light in the moon. Right? Actually, in chapter number 15, there are shlokas where Krishna clearly says that I am the light of the sun, I am the light of the moon. So when we look at the sun, what darshan we should take every morning? Who should we think about? Who should we look at? We should see the we should see two-handed form of Krishna. And when we look at the sun, we can remember Krishna, that Krishna, you are the one who is the light of sun. Krishna, you are the one who is the moon, who is the light of the moon. But in the spiritual kingdom, do you all know in spiritual kingdom, there is no need of the sun or moon. Do you all know? There's no sun. There's no moon. There are not these artificial lights. Oh my goodness. Then spiritual kingdom must be all dark, right? All dark. We all cannot even see each other, isn't it? Does it sound like that?
No, Mataji.
No. So in spiritual kingdom, there's no need because the Supreme Lord has so much effulgence, so much brightness, so much effulgence. In the material world, that Brahma Jyotir, the Lord's spiritual effulgence, is covered by the Mahat Tattva. Therefore, in the material world, we need sun, moon, and electricity, right? At night, when there is no sun, we need electricity, right? But in the spiritual kingdom, it's not like that. There is so much effulgence of the Lord. So there is no need of such things. So his luminous effulgence, everything is illuminated in spiritual world. He is situated in the spiritual world, which is far, far away in the spiritual sky. He's far, far beyond the darkness of this material world. There's no darkness in the spiritual world. So this is the one part of the shloka. Second part of shloka. Does anybody know this shloka, chapter number 15? Sarvasya chaham hridi sannivishto vartatah smritirjnanam mohadam cha vedeshcha sarvam aham vedyo vedanta videva chaham. Wow, you all are amazing. So many of you know. I heard Bhavya, I heard Krishna, I heard Maithili, I heard, I think Harini also, right? I heard Subhadra. So very beautiful. So you know what does it mean? It means the purpose of Veda, like by all the Vedas, I am to be known. Of course, it has more meaning also that all the forgetfulness, knowledge, remembrance, everything comes from me. But the second part says that indeed, I am the compiler of the Vedas. I am the knower of the Vedas, and by all the Vedas, I am to be known, right? What are we supposed to know even after reading big old Vedas? What are we supposed to know? Krishna, the ultimate is absolute truth. So in this verse also, Krishna is saying same the thing, that he is the object of knowledge. What are we supposed to know? Krishna. Then what is saying? He is the goal of knowledge. Goal of knowledge means everything we have to know about Krishna, right? Even though he is inconceivable, but Krishna Katha, knowing about him, talking about him, hearing about him, and he is situated in everyone's heart, right? So actually, if I bend down and I do Danvat Pranam to all of you, so who is in all of your heart?
Krishna.
Krishna. That means I'm paying obeisances to Krishna. And of course, you all are devotees, so I'm paying obeisances to all of you also. But I'm paying obeisances to two people, isn't it? I'm in the benefit, right? I get double, right? A Danvat to a devotee and Danvat to the super soul in your heart. Isn't that amazing? Right? So this is the meaning of this particular verse. So he is situated in everyone's heart as the supreme controller. And we already discussed that Supreme Lord has legs, hands, eyes, ears distributed everywhere, right? Can someone remember that shloka? Can somebody speak? I taught you all. Yes, I taught you this shloka just 2-3 shlokas back. Can someone remember? Sarvatah pani padam
Sarvatoshi
Sarvatokshi shiro mukham. Very good. Unmute yourself and speak. I want to hear your beautiful voices. Sarvatah shrutimaloke sarvamavritati. Yes, everywhere are his hands, legs, his eyes, heads, faces, and his he has ears everywhere. In this way, the super soul exists everywhere, isn't it? Right? And I gave you all example. Who saw Krishna everywhere? Who saw Krishna? Of course, there are many examples. One example I gave you. Huh? Prahlad Maharaj. Where did he saw his worshipable Lord? Where did he saw?
In the pillar. In the pillar.
Yes, a devotee sees the Lord everywhere. Everywhere, in everyone's heart. Right? Even non-living things. He's seeing Krishna everywhere. Isn't that amazing? Yes or no? Yes. And what happens from pillar? Oh, a big Krishna, Narsingadev. He jumps out. Right? Okay. So let's go for our verses. Okay.
Oh no.
So I hope you all understood these 2 verses and enjoyed. So let's go.
Oh no.
Verse number 17. Avibhaktam cha bhuteshu. Okay, so those kids who are on mute, I will have to assume that their mommies did not feed them properly today. Did mommies feed you all properly?
Me and Tarini had food at the birthday
Very
party.
good. Yes, I also ate nicely. Can you all hear me? Can you all hear me? Yes, I ate very nicely. I ate some nice prasadam.
Which verse in which chapter are we in?
Okay, chapter 13, verse 17, beta. Okay, let's start. No background noises, okay? Avibhaktam cha bhuteshu. 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 Vibhaktam. Vibhaktam. Oh, I saw a mouse going in someone's mouth. Who was yawning just now? I saw a big mouse jumped in that little girl's mouth. Did you eat a mouse? Did you eat it? I saw you eating a mouse. So we better not yawn, okay? Vibhaktam evacha sthitam.
Vibhaktam
Everybody. Evacha sthitam. Very good. Bhuta bhartra. Bhutabhartra. I just saw a big lizard going in Lesha's mouth. Bhutabhartra. Bhutabhartra. Chatajgyeyam. 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 Bhutabhartra chatajgyeyam. I am not hearing certain kids, and I will make sure no games for all of you. A mini Mataji will be here. Okay, I am not hearing Subhadra, I'm not hearing Tarini, I'm not hearing Haridas.
Mataji, what was on because I just joined?
Chapter 13, verse 17.
Okay.
I'm not hearing certain mouths moving.
Mataji,
Okay.
can you
Can everybody, 1 minute. What, Haridas?
I was just trying to find the words. That's why I was not saying it.
No problem, beta. No problem. So everybody, please, can you show me your hands like this? What does it mean? What does it mean? It means your mouth, your lips should be moving like this. I'm watching everybody's lips. Yes.
Can you hear me, Mataji? Because I'm speaking and among the talking, I was
Okay, let's go. Bhutabhartre chatajgyeyam. Bhutabhartre chatajgyeyam. Bhutabhartre chatajgyeyam. Grasishnu. Grasishnu. Okay, everybody hear me one time. 1 minute. Everybody just hear me. First S is only sir. Second S in this word is sh. And N is ana. So it sounds like this. Nobody repeats me. I'm going to say 2 times, okay? Grasishnu. Very good. Grasishnu. Vishnu cha. Vishnu cha. Grasishnu Prabha Vishnu cha. Grasishnu Prabha Vishnu cha. Grasishnu Prabha Vishnu cha. Grasishnu Prabha Vishnu cha. Very good. Grasishnu Prabha Vishnu cha. Avibhaktam cha bhuteshu. Very good. Vibhaktam eva cha sthitam. Bhutabhartra cha tajgyeyam. Grasishnu Prabha Vishnu cha. Good job, all of you. So I'm going to take 2 kids individually right now. I want to hear from Gauranga this verse, and second is Mathili. Okay, I want to hear this verse from 2 kids. Come on, Gauranga. Are you here, Gauranga? Okay, I'll switch to Aradhita. Aradhita? Yes, speak this verse. Try.
Verse 18.
17.
Avibhaktam cha bhuteshu.
Very good.
Tam eva cha
Sthitam.
tam
Very good. Bhuta bhartra.
bhuta bhartra
Very good.
Vishnu cha
Graseshnu prabhavishnu cha. Very good.
Mataji, sorry, I wasn't able to unmute.
Okay, so next Mathili I want to hear, and then the verse 18 I'm going to pick another 2 kids today, okay? Okay, I will pick. I'll pick. Please let me pick. Okay, let me have a turn of picking. Yes, Mathili, go beta.
Mataji, can I repeat after you? I don't know it so well.
Oh, okay, you can repeat after me, no problem. But all of you should not be shy, okay? Even if you make mistake, I'm here to correct you. I'm not going to eat you all, trust me. Okay?
Mataji,
I do not have a demon mouth, okay?
Okay, then Mataji, I'll try to say.
Yeah, try. I'm sure you can do it. You're amazing. Don't worry.
Okay. Avibhaktam cha bhuteshu vibhaktam
Yes, Eva.
eva cha.
Wait, Mataji, I think Maithili is thinking she cannot look at the book.
No, you can look at the book.
Yeah.
No, Mataji, I am drawing from the laptop and I don't have my Bhagavad Gita, so I'm looking from Veda base.
Oh, that's why. Okay, where's your PDF, beta? Did you print it out, the PDF?
No.
Okay, all of you, all of the children, please keep your PDF printed out. I'm going to send it again today. Please print it out, okay?
Mataji?
Yes. Okay, wait. We'll talk after 5 minutes. Let Mathili finish.
I don't have a printer.
Okay, you can follow me. Yeah. Ivacha sthitam, you are on unmute. Yes.
Ivacha sthitam bhuta bharta
Bhartra.
what?
Bhartra.
Bhuta bharta cha kaj
Geyam. Graseshnu.
Vishnu Pandava
Prabhavishnu cha.
Vishnu cha.
Good job. See, you tried. Okay. But please try to have your printout from tomorrow or Bhagavad Gita. I prefer printout. Okay.
Okay.
If not, Bhagavad Gita is also fine. So, yes, Bhavya, you have a question, beta?
We don't have printer, Mataji.
Okay. Then have Bhagavad Gita. No problem.
Yes, Mataji, I just have a question. So, like, it's a question about the translation. So, also memorize each word, like what is exactly means, like avibhaktam. It means like should we?
So, vibhaktam means with without division. I mean, sorry, vibhaktam means division. Like
Okay.
how we dividing, but avibhaktam means opposite of division. That means without division.
Okay.
In Sanskrit, you will see a lot of places where there is a before the word that actually becomes opposite, like not, without. Okay. Okay, let's all of us go for verse number 18. Okay. Jyotisam apita jyotis.
Jyotisham apita jyotis.
Jyotisham apita jyotis. Very good. Jyotisham apita jyotis.
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 Tamasah paramuchyate. When I join param and uchyate, it would sound like paramuchyate. Tamasah paramuchyate. तमसः परमुच्यते. Very good. Tamasah paramuchyate. Very good. Jnanam jneyam. Jnanam jneyam. Jnanam jneyam. Jnanagamyam. 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 Hridhi sarvasya. Hridhi sarvasya. Vishtitam. Hridhi sarvasya vishtitam. Hridhi sarvasya vrishtitam. Sarvasya vishtitam. Hridhi sarvasya vishtitam. Tarini, what are you doing? Oh,
Just
come on. What happened? Did you go on the clouds or
saying
what?
it as well because this. I'm just saying it as well as here because my iPad volume is very loud.
Yeah, read and speak. You have to read and speak. Hridhi sarvasya vishtitam. Hridhi sarvasya vishtitam. Good job. I'm going to pick two kids, okay? Jyotishamaphi tajyotis. Tamasah paramuchyate. Jnanam jneyam jnanagamyam. Hridhi sarvasya vishtitam. So, okay, Haridas can go first and Soumya can go second.
Okay, ma'am.
Haridas?
Jyotisham Jyote Tamasam Paramuchyate Jnanam Jneyam Jnanagamyam Hridhi sarvasya
Very good. Very good, Haridas. Good job. Soumya? Okay, there's a lot of background noise from someone's place. Please stay away from the background noises. Thank you. Soumya, go beta.
ज्योतिषमपि तज्ज्योतिस्तमसः परमुच्यते ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं ज्ञानगम्यं हृदि सर्वस्य विष्ठितम्.
Good job. I think you all got this verse. Very beautiful. I'm proud of all of you. Yes.
Can I also say Madhuri?
What beta?
Can I also say Madhuri?
Okay, say quickly.
ज्योतिषामपि तज्ज्योतिष तमसः परं युच्यते तमसः परमुच्यते ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं ज्ञानगम्यं हृदि सर्वस्य विष्ठितम्.
Good job. Now all of you.
I said
Okay.
jnanam.
Wait. Wait, we need to go quickly for repetition because sometimes certain kids have back-to-back classes and I don't want to take extra time. So let's quickly go for verse number 17 first. Everybody ready? Is everybody sitting on the cloud? Is everybody sitting on the cloud or no?
No.
Yeah, no? Oh, who's sleeping then?
Not
Who's
me.
sleeping on the clouds? Somebody sleeping? Or is everybody sitting?
I'm on the bed. I'm not seeing.
Okay. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Let's try, everybody, let's try to be in synchronization. Let's try together, let's end together. That way we all will be on the same page. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Last time, all my little kids, please wake up. 1, 2, 3. Job, all of you. Verse number 18. I am watching who is not speaking, okay? I'm planning Kahoot game very, very soon. And I'll make sure those children who are not speaking, they will not participate in the games activities, okay? Mataji will become like a bully Mataji in the school, right? How bully children are there, like that. Watch. 1, 2, 3.
Josh,
One, two, three. Good job. 1, 2, 3. Last time, everybody, okay?
Mataji, are we still doing verse 17?
No, 18. We just finished 18. It's okay.
I was reading, but I heard
It's okay.
Gayam
It
many
happens.
times.
It's okay. It's okay.
I
think
heard Gayam many
when
times.
train was moving, I think when train was moving, by mistake you got down to pick up some samosas.
I kept on hearing Gayam, so I thought you were on verse 17.
It's okay. It's okay. Now, 1 minute. I forgot to tell you all meaning of verse 18. Yeah, I think we discussed. Yes, Gyanam means knowledge. Yes, we discussed. Okay, so all of you, please, I'm watching in first 15 minutes who is sending their recordings first. I want to see who are the top 5 winners. So not as soon as, now, as I'm talking to you, everybody run and pick up your mommies and daddy's phones. Okay, and let me, Let me see who are the first 5 who are sending the recordings.
Actually, I'm on my mommy's laptop and immediately I will send.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm on my mommy's laptop, so I have
Sure.
access
So
to the
everybody quickly send me recordings right now, fast.
Mataji, my brother is recording. After he's done, I won't take it.
Okay. And also, I'm not hearing Varun and Aditya's recordings. Varun, Aditya, please send me your recordings every day. Where are your recordings? Are you here? My little bacha.
Yes, Mataji.
Please send me your recordings, dear. I love to hear your cute voices, okay? You
Mataji,
all
can
are
you
amazing,
leave?
okay? 1 minute, beta. And make sure you all repeat today's 2 shloka 5 times. Does 5 times takes 5 hours?
No.
Maybe 15 minutes at least, right?
No, 2 minutes.
2 minutes. So do you all do it or no? Or you all become a lazy
Mataji,
bear?
I take like 4 minutes. It will happen for me.
Yeah, so hurry up, send me quick. So today's recording will be verse number 17 and 18 and also 1 to 16, okay? So I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye. Love you.
Mataji.
Hari Bol.
Bye.